everyone and welcome back to our HQ. Today I will be assembling and giving you a demo of the Pluto 1.2 drone. Let's get started. What are the types of drones? There are 4 types of drones. One of them is the multi-rotor drone. Multi-rotor drones are small and have 3, 4, 5, 6 or 8 motors. They are useful in hovering in small areas and are easily controllable. They are the most common consumer drone. Single rotor drones are like a helicopter. Single rotor drones can carry heavier payloads than multi-rotor drones and have one big motor at the top and one tail motor. Another is the fixed-wing drone. Fixed-wing drones are useful in large-scale mapping projects. They are like a plane and they are faster than multi-rotor and single-rotor drones. They can carry heavier payload than multi-rotor drones, but lighter than single-rotor drones. The last type of drone is the fixed-wing hybrid VTOL. Fixed-wing hybrids are similar to fixed-wing drones. However, they take off and land vertically. They are good in both hovering, which is a feature of multi-rotor drones, and flying fast, which is a feature of fixed-wing drones. These are the parts of the Pluto 1.2 drone. I will walk you through the details of each part and then we will assemble them. This is the frame. This is the base for the rest of the drone. Along with it are 4 motors. This is the battery. This is the canopy, which will protect the drone in case it falls upside down. These are the propellers, which will help the drone fly. They are in groups of 2, A and B, to be placed diagonally. This is the Primus X flight controller. This is the chip that allows the drone to fly. And these are the propeller guards. These protect the drone in case of collision. Now that we've learned about the types of drones, let's learn how to assemble it. Now let's assemble the drone. The first thing I will do is put in the battery. The battery will go in here like this. Now I will attach the propellers. They must be in the pattern A, B, A, B. Now I will attach the propeller guards. In the Primus controller, you have to attach the 4 screws and screw them in the clip-on dampeners. Then you can place it above your frame and screw them in. The 3 motors will go into these spots. And the battery at the back will connect like this. If you want to turn your drone on, there is a switch located here. By switching it on and connecting it with the app, you can make it fly. You will know it's on if this LED is red. I have turned it off and now I will attach the canopy on top of our drone. I have attached the canopy and now if I assemble this correctly, then this will be able to fly. If yours doesn't fly the first time, don't be discouraged. You can just re-watch the instructions and reassemble it. Let's begin the fun part, flying your drone. To fly your drone, first you will have to install the Pluto controller app on your smart device like an iPad or a mobile phone. Next, you have to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot that your Pluto drone will expose when turned on. The password for that will be found at droneaviation.com/password-util. Now let's fly. This is the app. I will use it to make the drone fly. Thank you for watching. Please like and share for more videos. Bye!